Welcome to our comprehensive review of Navy Federal Credit Union personal loans. In this guide, we will explore the pros and cons, eligibility requirements, loan features, and customer reviews of Navy Federal's personal loan offerings. Whether you are a military member, a veteran, or a family member of military personnel, this review will help you determine if Navy Federal's personal loans are the right choice for you. Navy Federal Credit Union provides both unsecured and secured personal loans to its members with no origination fees and the possibility of same-day funding. This can be especially beneficial for those needing quick access to funds. However, as with any financial product, there are both advantages and disadvantages to consider. Navy Federal offers a variety of loan features that cater to different financial needs. One of the significant benefits is the availability of secured loans, which is not common among many other lenders. This option allows members to borrow against their savings or other assets, potentially securing a lower interest rate. Additionally, Navy Federal permits co-applicant loans, where another person shares the responsibility of repaying the loan. This feature can be advantageous for those who may have difficulty qualifying for a loan on their own. One of the standout features of Navy Federal personal loans is the possibility of same-day funding. Once approved, the funds can be deposited into your account on the same day, providing quick access to money when needed. For home improvement loans, Navy Federal offers extended repayment terms. If you borrow at least $25,000, you can get a repayment term of up to 84 months. For loan amounts of $30,000 or more, the repayment term can be extended up to 180 months. Navy Federal personal loans have several advantages, making them a favorable option for many borrowers. Firstly, the availability of both secured and unsecured loans provides flexibility based on your financial situation. The option to apply with a co-borrower can increase your chances of approval and potentially secure a better interest rate. The possibility of same-day funding ensures you can access the funds quickly when needed. Additionally, the extended repayment terms for home improvement loans offer more manageable monthly payments over a longer period. Despite the many advantages, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Navy Federal does not offer a pre-qualification option, meaning you cannot see the interest rates and terms you might qualify for without a hard credit check. Membership is required before applying, which involves opening a Navy Fed savings account and depositing at least $5. Late payments incur a $29 fee, which can add up if you miss multiple payments. Lastly, repayment terms of 37 months or longer come with a higher minimum annual percentage rate compared to shorter loan terms. To apply for a Navy Federal personal loan, you must be a member of the credit union. Membership is open to Department of Defense employees, active duty military members, veterans, and the families of armed forces members. To become a member, you need to open a Navy Fed savings account and deposit at least $5. Navy Federal does not disclose its minimum credit score requirement. However, like most lenders, they generally prefer applicants with higher credit scores as they have better approval odds and are more likely to qualify for favorable terms. While specific income and employment criteria are not listed on Navy Federal's website, they will review your income and financial situation during the application process to assess your ability to make monthly payments. You can start the application process online, in person at a physical branch, or by phone. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your desired loan amount and repayment term, income, current employer's contact information, email, and social security number. If you are applying with a co-borrower, you will also need to provide their information and Navy Fed access number. Navy Federal Credit Union typically approves most loans on the same day. After signing the loan agreement, the funds can be deposited into your account as quickly as the same day, providing fast access to the money. Navy Federal has an excellent rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, based on over 2,500 reviews. Positive reviews often cite good experiences with customer service, while negative reviews sometimes mention higher than expected rates and a lengthy process. On the Better Business Bureau website, Navy Federal has a lower rating of 1.47 out of 5 stars, based on 131 reviews. This discrepancy is likely because people often turn to the BBB to report negative experiences. One customer on Trustpilot praised the service, saying, "Top-notch service from Stephanie at Navy Fed. It was a painless process, and her efforts kept us feeling stress-free." Another customer had a less favorable experience, stating, "The process was way longer than it needed to be. The rates are higher than other non-secured loans I was offered. I only went with NFCU because they had my mortgage, and I liked the convenience of the website app." Navy Federal personal loans can be used for various purposes, including home improvements, vacations, weddings, relocation expenses, car repairs, medical bills, emergencies, and consolidating high-interest credit card debt. However, they cannot be used for post-secondary education expenses. Navy Federal Credit Union does not charge origination fees on its personal loans, which can save you money upfront. You can pay off your Navy Federal loan early without worrying about prepayment fees, allowing you to save on interest if you pay off your loan ahead of schedule. Navy Federal charges a $29 fee for late payments and a $29 fee for return payments. It is important to make timely payments to avoid these additional costs. When shopping for a personal loan, it is crucial to compare multiple lenders to find the best fit for your needs. Here is how Navy Federal stacks up against a few competitors. Lightstream offers personal loans with competitive rates and no fees, similar to Navy Federal. However, Lightstream may provide lower rates for longer-term loans compared to Navy Federal. Sophie offers personal loans with no fees and additional benefits, such as unemployment protection. However, Sophie's membership requirements are less restrictive than Navy Federal's, making it accessible to a broader range of applicants. PenFed, like Navy Federal, is a credit union offering personal loans to its members. PenFed has similar rates and terms, but may offer better rates for certain loan amounts and terms. Navy Federal Credit Union personal loans are an excellent option for military members, veterans, and their families. The credit union offers competitive minimum rates for short-term loans and provides fast access to funds with same-day funding. However, for those seeking longer repayment terms, the higher rates beyond 36 months may be a drawback. Before choosing a lender, always compare terms, rates, and fees from multiple companies to ensure you find the best fit for your financial needs. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this review. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.